Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Levine, cryptocurrency head analyst at FXLeaders.com, and this is your beginner-friendly space where we break down Forex trading in simple, no jargon terms. Today's topic is one of the most asked about. Which Forex trading platform should I use? Now, we're going to be putting together three of the most popular platforms head-to-head. We're talking about MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. I'll break down what makes each one unique, which one is best for beginners, and what you should look out for when considering your platform. Alright, so let's grab your coffee, smash that like button, and let's jump right into it. So, what is a trading platform, right? First off, it's basically the software that connects you to the Forex market. It's where you'll analyze charts, open or close trades, manage positions, track your performance, right? Everything is happening on your platform. A good trading platform should be fast, reliable, and user-friendly, needless to say. And for beginners, it should be super easy to navigate without feeling overwhelming, right? Let's start with MetaTrader 4 because that's my go-to platform. That's the platform that I've been using for many years. In fact, it's been around since 2005 and it's still one of the most widely used platforms on the planet. Known for its clean, simple interface, easy learning curve, great for manual trading, but also supports automated trading via expert advisor. This is the button right here. You see, auto trading for me, it's off because I do not use auto trading. I only do manual trading. But for those who use expert advisors, EAs, or also known as bots, you would want to click that button when you're using any EA, or maybe you're just backtesting, right? The one bot over another, or so forth. So MT4 supports all of that stuff. It's a solid choice if you're a beginner looking for something dependable with tons of online tutorials and community support. The only downside, it's a bit outdated when it comes to built-in features such as those EAs, those bots, right? Coding, trading systems, automated trading. It's a bit out of date, and MT5 would be a better choice for that. Okay, the reason I'm sticking to MT4 is because I don't do automated trading, right? But for those who do, MT5 would be a better choice. Let's take a look at MT5. So it's like MT4, just a younger, faster, and more powerful sibling. You can think about it this way. That was released in 2010 with upgrade features, better charting tools, and more time frames. Now, one option to test drive either one, MT4 or MT5, is to download it straight from your broker's webpage. But you can also go directly to MetaTrader and just download and check it out with a demo account. So we can go to mql4.com or mql5.com, right? And you can just download the platform and play around with it just till you feel more comfortable before actually engaging with real-life trading. And then there's CTrader, also known for its super clean modern interface and user-friendly layout. It has excellent charting tools, depth of market data, advanced order types, great for both manual and algorithmic trading. CTrader is a web-based platform. It has a web-based platform that is seriously good. So it's perfect if you want to trade on the go without really downloading anything. You just can go to ctrader.com and you can find a way to download a platform on Windows or Mac, or even, like I said, the web trading directly on the website. So downside for this, I would say, not every broker offers CTrader. But if yours does, it's definitely worth checking it out, right? All right, let's have a quick comparison. We'll do a quick side-by-side comparison and see how they line up, all three, right? So we got MT4, MT5, CTrader, best 4. Beginners, I would say MT4, right? Less overwhelming, doesn't go that deep, which, you know, you don't even have to as a beginner, right? But if you're more advanced, MetaTrader 5 would be more suitable. CTrader also, I would say, more for professional traders, but also pretty good for beginners as well. Charting tools, MT4 good, MT5 excellent, CTrader excellent. Market access, Forex only, Forex and more in MT5, and CTrader Forex and CFDs. Automated trading, yes for all three. However, MT5 and CTrader are more advanced when it comes to auto trading. Interface simplicity, MT4 pretty simple, MT5 a little bit more modern, I would say, and CTrader is a little bit also more modern and clean cut. So that's the comparison. There you go. So which one should you pick? Well, if you're brand new and just want to learn the basics, start with MT4. If you're already comfortable and want advanced features and multi-asset trading, go for MT5. But if you're after a modern intuitive interface with pro tools, I would say try the CTrader. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Forex tips, and drop a comment letting me know which platform you're currently using or which one you're thinking about trying. I'll catch you in the next video where we're breaking down how to actually execute a trade on our trading platform, right? So we're gonna move from theory into practice and see how it's actually done, where I'm gonna pull the trigger on a real life trade. So don't miss out. Make sure you don't miss out on the next video. Take care.